The concept of a simple vegan lifestyle emerged from environmental concerns and health consciousness in the late 1980s, rooted in escalating pollution levels and growing awareness about animal welfare issues. Originating in Europe and North America, the movement gained traction as early as the mid-20th century, with pioneers like Francis Moore Lapp advocating for plant-based diets through books such as Diet for a Small Planet, 1971. But the trend began to accelerate globally with key events, including the publication of the China study in 1985, which highlighted dietary links to diseases and longevity. This research was followed by numerous studies demonstrating correlations between vegan diets and health benefits like reduced risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Key developments included significant reductions in meat production, leading to lower greenhouse gas emissions as early as the mid-2000s, when the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization reported that livestock farming contributes about 14.5% of global GHG emissions. Concurrently, vegan advocacy groups gained prominence with campaigns highlighting ethical treatment of animals and sustainable food systems. As a result, consumer interest in plant-based products surged, driving innovations like fortified plant milks and extensive menu offerings at fast food chains. Economic impacts were profound. By 2030, the global organic produce market was projected to reach $150 billion, driven by vegan and vegetarian dietary trends. Benefits of simple vegan lifestyles are substantial, with proven reductions in chronic disease rates. For instance, a study published in PLOS One 2020 found that vegans had 64% lower chances of developing type 2 diabetes than non-vegans. However, drawbacks include potential deficiencies in certain nutrients such as vitamin B12 and omega-3 fatty acids unless fortified or supplemented. Long-term effects indicate healthier populations with improved cardiovascular health, longevity, and reduced healthcare costs over time. In the future, projections suggest that veganism will continue to gain momentum, especially among younger generations who prioritize sustainability and animal welfare. By 2050, it is estimated that up to a quarter of global food demand could be met by plant-based sources. Continued research into alternative protein sources such as lab-grown meat and improved production methods for fruits and vegetables will drive further advancements in veganism. Optimizations for future vegan diets include exploring more sustainable agricultural practices, enhancing synthetic nutritional components, and supporting policy initiatives that promote accessible plant-based food options worldwide.